Okay students, after the explanation of the poem, we will start the reading of this poem. Okay. The Ant and the Cricket. A fable is a story, often with animals as characters, that conveys a moral. As I told you now, what is the meaning of fable? Fable is a kind of short stories with animals as a characters or birds as characters, and they also have morals in them which is directly related with our human lives. Okay, so means they are trying to tell us that what type of life that we human have to live by these short stories. Okay, and they are giving us the moral values of life. This poem about an ant and a cricket contains an idea of far-reaching significance, which is as true of a four-legged cricket as of a two-legged one. Surely you have seen a cricket that has two legs. These lines now that you have seen the two legs cricket means they are trying to relate this cricket with the human beings, and in the end of the poem you will see these lines now again. Okay, a silly young cricket, accustomed to sing. Accustomed means habitual, habited, always doing the same thing. He was habitual of singing. He used to usually always sing. Though through the warm sunny months of gay summer and spring, began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard was empty and the winter has come. Means silly young cricket means a foolish cricket who was habitual of singing. He used to sing throughout the warm seasons of summer and spring, and then after when the winter has come now, he started complaining about what he had done. And when he started complaining, when he opened his cupboard for searching for food and there was nothing in the cupboard now, at time he started complaining. Not a crumb to be found on the snow covered ground, not a flower could he see, not a leaf on a tree. Oh, what will become, says the cricket, of me. Means when he opened the cupboard na, he found it empty, and as the winter has come na, he when he looked out, he saw that there is not a crumb to be found. कि अभी तो मुझे बाहर एक कुछ भी एक छोटा सा पीस भी नहीं मिलने वाला, ना ही उसके कबर्ड में कुछ था छोटा पीस और ना ही उसे बाहर कुछ छोटा पीस मिलने वाला था.